Alright, what's good, guys? It's your boy Sway. Welcome back to another legendary video. Shout out to Tall Guy, you feel? But today, we got my boy Sparciati Gaming's fucking Subaru WRX right here. We're about to do some things to it. I'm gonna show you a little B-roll of the before and then B-roll of the after. But let's get right into this. We got the fog light covers right here. Oh, this is your shift knob. Yes, sir. Let's take a look at this sheet. Woo! And we got these right here that are for the back bumper.
Back bumper. Bro.
Take 3.
Is that shit broken? Well, technical difficulties. Sorry.
We'll be back in 5.
It's 18.
It works.
There we go.
Hey.
All right, take 2.
Let's get it. Fucking
And get angry and just fucking throw it out.
sand.
Fucking shit.
Hey, so we got the first fog light cleaned.
Yep. This is the same day that Omi's brother came through. So
Yes,
same day.
sir.
Same day, different vlog. EV.
Content. Okay, now.
Ooh, look at that.
That's fire.
Nigga, we didn't even finish yet.
That's fire. Man, I think we just so happy to have a beautiful day
It's
today.
fucking beautiful
Yeah.
in Massachusetts right now.
You
Springfield
did.
to be exact.
You did.
70 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Hot. That's
Talk-
hot to us.
Talk nice.
To
Talk
Cali
nice.
niggas, it's probably cold.
Right. Yeah. Cali 60 is like shaky. They be
Right.
like,
They
oh
be
my
like, what is
gosh,
this?
I need a sweater today.
For real.
Make sure you cut the edges so it
what happened? My water fell and I just hit my
fits in snug. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. We installed this one right here, but we're having a little issue in that corner right there. It's not seeming to stick. You think that that'll dry up and stick, guys? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. How do we fucking fix that? You can kind of see it, but it's not that bad, honestly. Guys, so what you guys think? Both fog light covers are on. Ooh.
Easy install, guys. This shift knob, you just unscrew it, screw the new one in. Pretty self-explanatory, you know?
You know, everybody gang out here in Massachusetts.
Bro, do you suffer from red eyes too?
Yeah, bro.
It's allergy season, baby.
Do you suffer from red eyes? Nice.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Get that.
That sixth
fucking
gear.
Fast one.
Oh my god, can you please?
Hold it.
Focus.
Focus! We're gonna figure this out, guys, don't worry. There it is!
And there it is, one side down, one side to go. So this side actually used the original clips that actually go on this side of the bumper. So you don't need any extra hardware. It's good though. It looks like it flows with this part, like factory with this, right? Guys, so that's the finished product with both sides put on there. Looks really good. It looks factory to me. Shit looks mad good. Oh yeah, fitment, look at that. Shit's nice. And then, so next video, we have a front lip, but it hasn't come in yet. It's on order. So front lip coming next, and we got the carbon fiber mirror covers as well, and we got the rear mud flaps that we have to put on. The fronts are on already, but the back ones are a little harder to put on, so we haven't put them on yet. But next video, or I don't know if exactly next video, but
Next WRX video.
with next WRX video, we'll be installing all those parts.
The next day.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to the fucking channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Sway, and today we are at one of the largest auto auctions in the country. It's called Southern Auto Auction here in Connecticut, East Windsor, I'm pretty sure. Place is humongous. These are all cars that are gonna run this Wednesday coming up, the 6th. And that's just a little fucking preview of it. But look at this crazy ass 21 lanes of cars here, and there's thousands and thousands of cars here at this lot, this auction. It's fucking nuts. It's fucking crazy. But yeah, we just came back to work today. Actually, we're working we just opened today for the first time in like a month, but we also aren't fully open. We're open on limited hours, and yeah, but it's lit. But I'm here truck that we purchased and actually ended up having a fucking not a bad motor, but I don't know what it's called, but I'll show you guys when I start the truck up. So it's I guess it's burning oil, I'm pretty sure. So but yeah, we tried to sell it here and it didn't sell, so we're picking it up. Hopefully we can bring it back to the shop, see what we can do, maybe fix it if it's not too expensive. But I know that's a big job. That's like opening up pretty much opening up the whole engine and shit. So fucking nuts. I want to get a new camera too, guys. Fucking, I'm sick of logging on my phone. It's not the same. But we're pulling up to the truck now. I'm gonna show you guys the truck real quick. Look at that. Just fucking whips on whips on whips. Holy fuck. Thousands of cars here. From brand new cars with fucking no miles to pieces of shit. Literally anything you want you can find here. I just walked fucking 3 miles to fucking find this stupid truck. Going, look at this. Fucking crazy, bro. This place is huge. Look at that. All that, and there's still, it goes on forever down there, bro. All the way down there. This is the truck, guys, that we bought. It's a beautiful Hemi. It has 117 though. I don't know if maybe that's when the 5.7s kind of fuck up. But it's a 2015 with 117, and it looks beautiful. It looks mint. Right now, it's not really doing much in the exhaust, so it only does it on startup sometimes. But I'm leaving here with this truck to go back to the dealer when I spotted this beauty right here. Wow. This thing is beautiful. That color is amazing. Oh, look. New York City. 2018 Challenger Hellcat with 5,000 miles on it only. With the stripes. You already know we're gonna look at this bitch. Oh, they have it locked. They're smart. They are smart. That would have started that bitch up. That's a beauty. That is a beauty right there. Oh, a lot of you may be thinking, why doesn't Sway just buy a car from the auction and finance it through our dealership? I know you guys are probably thinking that. But the only issue with that is I'm not really looking to finance a car, like buy a car like that. I would rather lease a vehicle because I am self-employed. So when you're self-employed, a little tip, you can put your lease on your taxes. So it's a plus as a business expense, you know? And if you finance a car, you can't put that on your taxes or nothing like that. So lease, at least you're getting money back, you know? If that makes sense. To one of my business people that are self-employed, you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's why I don't buy a car. So I don't finance a car through here, you know? Because I want to lease. Put it on my taxes as a business expense, you know? But that's a beautiful color. That was a gorgeous color. Let me take this stupid mask off, bro. Fucking hot. I'm scared this bitch is gonna fucking just start fucking shooting clouds of smoke out here, bro. I need to buy a fucking car soon for the channel though, because that's like the main content I want to do, and I don't even have a fucking car for the channel yet. What the am I doing? What am I doing? Alright, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Can you guys also I'm definitely trying to get a camera, so let me know what are good vlogging cameras and stuff like that. Try to get a camera with a tripod and all that, because this phone shit, I mean, the video quality isn't bad, but it's not as good as a camera. And holding this bitch is kind of annoying too, because I have a big ass phone. So yeah, but I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I just got back to the dealer right now. My boy Voos is actually gonna come through. We have a little project to do on his car. He actually just bought some new headlights for it, so I'm gonna show you that when he gets here, but he's on his way right now, so I'll get back to you when he gets here. You feel? All right guys, so this is the Beamer we were working on today. Right now it has the regular xenons. Let me show you the new ones. There it is. Woo! Them bitches look nice. Those are before. So those are the lights before, kind of yellowish. The high beams. Our first step was we just took off the tires. Now we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3. There's another one up here if you can see it, 4. And then there should be one more right here, 5. So yeah, 5 in total on each side. Fucking finally removed the right headlight. It took forever. There's mad screws you gotta get to. There's one up here. There's one right here, and then there's one right here on the top. So there's 4 in total to get the headlight out, but finally got it out. So we're on to the next side. Alright guys, so there you have it. Both lights are in, tightened and everything. Done by me. Yiddy! Fucking nice. I'm nice with it. Look at that. Now, time for the bumper. Guys, so we just finished the install on the headlights. And it's looking amazing for the moment of truth. I hope they turn on. You imagine they don't even fucking turn on, yo. One turns on, one doesn't. Ooh! Yo, that shit looks sick, bro. That shit looks mad dope. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yo, that shit looks fire, bro. His old lights didn't have the halos or the white stripe up here. None of that, bro. Look at that. Literally looks factory, bro.
That shit looks crazy.
Perfect, bro. Everything came out perfect. Woohoo! Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think. Goon Squad who? Goon Squad who? I'm just kidding guys. But not bad. Not bad at all for just looking at some YouTube videos and doing it. Shit came out amazing. Look at that. Perfect. That's it for today's video guys. Let me know if you guys fuck with videos like this of us doing stuff to cars, like mods and stuff, different mods and all that. Let me know what else you guys want to see. And as always, like, subscribe, please. Subscribe to the channel so we can grow and do dope shit. This is just the beginning. We ain't even started yet pretty much. But as always, have a good night guys. Peace.